Welcome to our video tutorial, where we'll showcase how to configure and work with WProofreader WordPress plugin. We'll begin by upgrading it from the free to the pro version. Firstly, navigate to the Plugins section, find WProofreader, and then proceed to Settings. Here, you'll find the input field for the license key. Upgrading to the pro version includes a 2-week free trial period, so there's no immediate payment. Within the settings, you can configure your default language, enable or disable the badge, and select the checkboxes to specify where the plugin will operate, such as posts, pages, categories, and tags. Hit Save Changes once you're done. Now, let's head over to the Posts section, where we'll showcase how the plugin will work on a blog post. As you can see, our plugin is active and operational. Currently, it has detected 14 suggestions. This badge button serves as a control hub. From here, you can enable or disable the plugin, access settings, or work in the Proofread in dialogue mode. The same options are accessible from the As You Type mode. Just hover on the underlined word and you'll see a suggestion pop up. By clicking More Options on the pop-up, you can navigate to the Proofread in dialogue mode, settings, or disable the plugin. Even if you choose to disable the badge button on the plugin settings page so that it will disappear on the user interface, other elements like settings and the Proofread in dialogue mode will remain accessible from the suggestion pop-up. See how this works. Our next step is to explore the plugin configuration options. First, let's enable the plugin badge and navigate to the settings page. Here, you have access to the dictionary settings via Go to Dictionary button. Below, you can select the language for proofreading in the Language section. Change it whenever you need this, and the plugin will recheck the content. In the General section, you have several settings for type check. Here you can switch on or off options for spelling suggestions, grammar suggestions, and style guide preferences. Just click on the toggles and the proofreading results will change. We'll delve into the details of the autocorrect and autocomplete features later. Additionally, there are ignore options. For instance, we can choose to ignore all caps words, ignore domain names, ignore words with mixed case, and ignore words with numbers. Now, let's see how to work with personal dictionaries. Navigate to the Dictionary section in the settings. You can create multiple dictionaries. Let's create our first dictionary and name it Company. Try to connect it first, and you may encounter a failed message since the dictionary doesn't exist. So let's create it. Now, you can add words manually to this dictionary. Let's disconnect it and create another dictionary called Product. We can conveniently add words to this dictionary through the suggestion pop-up. We've added several words to Product dictionary. Next, let's disconnect the Product dictionary and connect the first one, Company. We can then delete the Company dictionary and designate Product dictionary as our main dictionary by connecting it. Let's rename it accordingly. Lastly, let's remove some words from the dictionary and add the desired ones to it. Next, we'll demonstrate how to work effectively with the plugin suggestions. The plugin has two proofreading modes available: As You Type mode with the suggestion pop-up, and Proofread in Dialog modes. We can navigate through the suggestions list in the Proofread in Dialog mode from the keyboard. Move from one error to another using the left and right arrows, and pick suggestions with the up and down arrows. Technically, the navigation operates cyclically. If there's an issue you want the plugin to skip, you can simply dismiss it by adding to the dictionary. For some cases, we can select specific style suggestions like this one: business people. This is how users can accept the plugin suggestions. Let's get correct this, and this. Now everything is well done, and the text is good to go. Finally, let's explore how the autocomplete and autocorrect features in the plugin function. Firstly, we must ensure that both toggles for autocomplete and autocorrect are enabled. Now, let's proceed with typing. As you can observe, the word we initially typed was autocorrected. While we have the option to revert this change, we'll choose to leave it as it is since it's now accurate. Now, let's demonstrate the autocomplete feature. As you continue typing, suggestions will appear. By clicking the right stroke on the keyboard, you can accept the suggestion. If you don't like the suggestion, simply ignore it and continue typing. And there you have it.